Hi, hereby I'm going to introduce the new cables drum protection PA sheet. Also, the packaging process. The packaging process is easy and simple to complete. It can be done into 3 steps and by a single person. The first step is to measure the length needed by this.
Okay.
Then the second step is we need to use knife to cut down the PA sheet. Then the third and the last step is to roll the PA sheet on the cables drums. And that brings us to the end of the process. As I said, easy and simple. Thanks for watching. See you.